AMP presently exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 explicitly is as of now at $0.005. Amazingly, AMP truly faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. AMP records especially descending development today, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. 15 October 2023, in this video we will walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for the following week, and certainly attempt to answer these habitually truly got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what especially is truly momentary cost expectation for AMP, essentially is AMP a by and large wise speculation, or so they generally thought. AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, which sort of shows that AMP support and opposition levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the AMP specialized examination, generally let us most certainly discuss the extremely current economic situations in a sort of significant manner. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,056,887,880,723, which sort of is very critical. The genuinely complete exchanging volume truly remains at $16,142,267,714 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, or so they truly thought. Which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours, so Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33%, which most certainly is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $209.67, following a value change of 1.54% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, most certainly is up by 0.36 and right now exchanging at 49 cents, exhibiting that AMP in a real sense faces medium-term obstruction at $0.006, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a genuinely enormous way. These occasions sort of show that the market generally is going in a sort of descending bearing for kind of present moment, exhibiting that AMP explicitly faces medium-term obstruction at $0.006, which generally is very critical. As of now, a general essentially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they generally thought. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers become commonly more sort of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so AMP certainly faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, which sort of is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition really is a level at which vendors in every practical sense become move pretty dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP, in every practical sense, is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, so AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth. Which certainly shows that AMP support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is $5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while all-out market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, which by and large is genuinely huge. There basically are practically 42,227,702,186 most certainly are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, exhibiting that AMP at present exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 basically is right now at $0.005, which truly is very critical. AMP value investigation AMP cost examination for 15 October 2023. Inside a sort of day-to-day time period, especially made sense of underneath, which most certainly is genuinely huge. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal intermingling and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly basic moving in every way that really matters, normal, SMA, and dramatic moving certainly normal, EMA, to generally dissect the future development of the AMP. So one-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while especially absolute market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, or so they in every practical sense, thought. While AMP's Williams percent R pointer generally is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, exceptionally signal fundamentally is somewhat conceivable at this reach, which certainly shows that AMP value examination AMP cost examination for 15 October 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, generally made sense of beneath in a very huge manner. The MACD line certainly is remaining beneath of the extremely signal line after a hybrid, or so they in every practical sense, thought. AMP financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the everyday graph, showing how AMP explicitly faces medium-term obstruction at $0.006 in an unobtrusive manner. The primary help level for AMP in every practical sense is at $0.005, while the very second one by and large is at $0.004, so while AMP's Williams percent R marker for the most part is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, fundamentally signal essentially is somewhat conceivable at this reach, which generally shows that AMP value examination AMP cost investigation for 15 October 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time span, truly made sense of beneath in an unobtrusive manner. While taking about opposition, the AMP by and large has R1 and R2 at $0.005, $0.006 separately, exhibiting how XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 0.36 and at present exchanging at 49 cents, showing that AMP really faces medium-term obstruction at $0.006, which especially is genuinely huge. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 45 and by and large is attempting to generally break out of the impartiality zone, which truly shows that we utilize commonly relative strength